Hello viewers, I am Dr. N. Srinivasan from Department of Physics, Kongu Engineering College. Topic for the day is reasons for unique properties of nanomaterials. Reasons for unique properties of nanomaterials. So generally nanomaterials, they have different properties from their bulk counterpart. So bulk material is a material in which all three dimensions are in macroscopic range. Nanomaterial is a material at least one dimension is reduced below the nano range, that is 100 nanometer. So now nanomaterials, they have entirely different properties with their bulk counterpart. The reason very simple. There are two reasons. One is a surface to volume ratio. Another one is quantum confinement. Surface to volume ratio and quantum confinement. So let us see what is surface to volume ratio and quantum confinement. Surface to volume ratio means surface area divided by volume of the material. Surface area of the material divided by volume of the material is called the surface to volume ratio. So for example, you take a sphere. The area of the sphere is 4 pi r squared. Formula for area of the sphere is 4 pi r squared. Formula for volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So when you put the surface area divided by volume, 4 pi r squared divided by 4 pi 3 pi r cube. So r squared r cube will be cancelled, only r. 4 will be cancelled, pi will be cancelled. Remaining will be 3 by r. Surface to volume ratio for a sphere is equal to 3 by r. So here when r is less, then automatically surface to volume ratio will be greater. So surface to volume ratio and radius is inversely proportional ratio. Surface to volume ratio and radius of the particle is inversely proportional. So when radius is less, surface to volume area will be greater. In nanomaterial, radius is less than 100 nanometer. So automatically nanomaterials, nanoparticles, surface to volume ratio will be greater. So as a result, what will happen is, in the volume of the material, there will be less atoms. Surface area of the material, there will be more atoms. So that nanomaterials, they are highly chemically reactive. So this is one of the important reason for the unique properties of nanomaterials from their bulk material. Next, let us move to the quantum confinement. So quantum confinement is the imposition of restriction of movement of electron through the dimensions. So we have x, y, z, three dimensions. When you reduce the size of the nanomaterial below 100 nanometer, in one axis, suppose x axis, then electron movement is restricted in x-axis. Electron can move only from y-axis and z-axis. When a material is reduced with size in x-axis and y-axis, 2 dimensions, only 1 dimension electron can move, and other 2 dimension movement of electron is restricted. So in first case, reducing the size in 1 dimension, restriction of movement of electron in 1 dimension. So electron can move in 2 dimensions. So that kind of structure is called quantum well. In second case, electron can move only 1 dimension, other 2 dimension electrons are not able to move because of the restriction. Confined movement of electron is confined. So this kind of nanostructures are called quantum wires. So in quantum wire, electron can move in only 1 dimension, so that there is no resistance or disturbance free electron transport is possible in quantum wires. So third case is also there, that is all the dimensions are reduced below 100 nanometer. Then that kind of structure is called quantum dot. So in quantum dot, electron movement is entirely restricted. So in any one of the axis, electron cannot move. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis, all are reduced below 100 nanometer. So that we have imposed restriction of movement of electron in all the 3 dimensions. So in a quantum dot, only 1 electron can go through it at a time. So this has given lot of electronic applications. So these are the 2 reasons. Surface to volume ratio is high, and then presence of the quantum confinement effect leads the nanomaterials with unique properties from their bulk counterpart. So to sum up, we have discussed 2 important things. One is called surface to volume ratio, another one is called quantum confinement. So surface to volume ratio brings highly chemically reactive nanomaterials. Quantum confinement brings restriction of electron movement. So in quantum wire, we can get resistance free transport of electron. So surface to volume ratio and quantum confinement, these are the 2 main reasons for unique properties of the nanomaterials. Viewers, be happy and spread happiness to the society. So with this, let us close this presentation. So let us see with a new topic in the next video. So thanks for your support. Thank you very much. Bye bye to you all. Thank you.